Hey y'all, Uncle Michael here, coming to you from Harrisonburg, VA. I am in the top of the building. This is the driver's lounge right here. And now we're gonna try to do something real easy for other folks, but walk and film and talk at the same time. But yeah, this is a very big place as far as parking goes. Alrighty, your average truck stop right here. There it is. You can see where I am. Harrisonburg. Like I said, regular truck stop. Alright. I may come back and get some food a little bit later. We'll see. Alright. Now, I can talk loud now. But just want to show y'all where I am. I don't know if I'm going to be doing pilot flying J all the time from now on, y'all, because I'm finding these off-grid, not off-grid, but you know, this is Joe's Diner, and there's the truck stop there. But yeah, so I may not be parking at the pilot or not. Hey there, how you? Good. So after that pilot, like I said, these parking spots are pretty nice. I want to show you just how big this place is. But first, hey y'all, Uncle Michael here. Like I said, coming to you from Harrisonburg, Virginia. Trying to do a little nap. And then after that, go deliver this load tomorrow. We're going to see how that works out because Atlanta held me up, y'all. I kid you not. I went to Norcross, Georgia. Came back into Atlanta. Well, I left Cartersville through Atlanta to Norcross, back down into Smyrna. Then from Smyrna, trying my best to get out of there. And it took up a lot of time, y'all. So, I ain't gonna say I'll be on time, but I'll be there tomorrow. Okay, I don't know how many spots this place has, but it's big, y'all. It's big. Look at that. And it's supposed to be a severe storm tonight or today, but we'll see how that goes. Yeah, so how y'all doing with your vision boards? You got your cardboard. They got different colors, and just pin it to the wall and go from there. Just wanted to know if y'all remember to do that so you can write down all your goals and keep track of things for this year. But look at that. Nice. So I'm gonna go and get in the van, truck. I don't know why I said van. But we're gonna go and get in the truck. Now see, this is on the side that I'm parking on. Look how many truck spaces there are here. But there's truck parking, y'all. Harrisonburg, Virginia. Truck stop. I'm pretty sure there'll still be truck spots open later on because some of these people are gonna leave. There's this one truck up here, y'all. I hope they don't mind me taking a picture of it. But y'all know who Eddie Van Halen is? Look at that. That is nice. That is nice. Okay. Hope they don't mind my taking a picture of that. And there is Mabel. Mabel been putting it in, y'all. She's been putting it in. So I believe both of us tired right at the moment. All right, like I said, don't forget your vision board. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, y'all. So I hope y'all been having a good day today. My ride today started kind of early, but we're gonna finish it up here and then go from there. So y'all take care of yourselves and each other, love on yourselves and each other, and keep those comments going, y'all. Y'all keeping me alive and well out here. I appreciate you. So y'all take care, and like I said always, take care of yourselves and others. Love on yourselves and others. Be good. Be nice. And I will talk to y'all soon. I love you. Ain't a thing you can do about it now. Not a thing. And I appreciate all the likes, comments, and subscribes. Share these videos, y'all. I appreciate you. We're growing. We're growing. We're over 700. So y'all take care. I love you. I said, there ain't a thing you can do about it. Appreciate you.